Today I'm going to be talking about Labocosmetica Primus Foam Alkaline Wash. Now, I have been using this in a foam lance for two reasons. First of all, to prepare a vehicle for ceramic coating, to really strip off any of the wax, sealant, road grime, etc., that's on the surface. And I've also been using it on my ceramic coated vehicles to help decontaminate them if it's been a while since they've been properly hand washed, to get all the crud off the ceramic coating. Now, I have been doing very scientifically with just using a thumb in a foam lance, and I've been getting excellent foam off of it, and it does a really great job when you have a ceramic coated vehicle that's more than just regular dirty. Like it's been maybe a few months since it's had a really good hand wash, something we see a lot in the winter time. So if you have a lot of ceramic coated vehicles that they maybe don't get perfectly maintained, perfectly taken care of, this is an excellent product with great foaming action. You can use it in a wash bucket also. I've been using it primarily just as a foam pre-wash, and it's been really nice. By the time I foam it, and I like a really kind of watery foam that pulls things off of the surface, by the time you foam it, let it sit for a few minutes and pre-wash, almost all of your hard sediment with just a low PSI pressure washer comes right off the surface. And that's exactly what I'm looking for with a foam pre-wash, whether it's for a non-coated vehicle or a coated vehicle alike, is because I want to have the least amount of abrasion and touching as possible. This is a gallon of product that is probably going to, well, technically it's close to that. It's probably going to last me for quite a long time, and I do a lot of maintenance washes. I do a lot of prep washes. So it's a very economical product. It's something that really has some oomph to it. But it's not a pure acid where you have to like neutralize and all that stuff afterwards. It is a great option between pH neutral car wash soap and acid wash, which Labo also has one of those that I'll talk about in the future. It's a great middle ground for whenever you need a more aggressive foam to really pull as much contamination off of your coated vehicle, or if you have a really dirty non-coated vehicle that you're getting ready for a coating, it's a really great option. And it's extremely dilutable, so if you wanted to use it just as a standard maintenance wash, you simply use less product. It's one of those very versatile, useful in many different ranges products that I really love, because I like to have less products on my shelf that have multiple uses, so that it saves money, it makes me more efficient, and it gets me better results for my customers. So even if you are a consumer and you're wanting to do a little bit more with a little bit less in the product ranges of your products, absolutely hard to beat. Hard to beat product that's very versatile, has a great scent to it, and I'm not huge on scent. I don't like whenever products put a ton of scent in there, because I have to smell it a lot and it gets old after a while. But it has just a very fresh scent. It doesn't smell over chemically, and it doesn't smell over fruity either, which can be very tiring if you're a professional and do this for a living as well. So Labocosmetica, again, called Primus. It's definitely one of those companies where you have to kind of wrap your head around all the different names, because it's from a different culture and it takes a little bit more to digest all of that. But it's Primus, it's an alkaline foam pre-wash that can be used as a straight car wash soap as well, and it's really great product. I really like it, and I get sent a lot of products, and I'd probably say 4 out of 5 or higher at times I don't talk about at all, because it's not that it's bad, it's just it's not any better than anything I've talked about before. It doesn't really stand out in any way. So if you're looking for a great foam wash that's really going to pull some dirt off the surface, Primus is an excellent product.